Howdy. Poor guy, outdoor cooking. How's it going today? Look at this is what we're gonna do. We've got some hot links, El Cortez. Hickory smoked hot links. Look at these things. So I got a big old pack. Don convinced me to do it because it was only $6. You get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 of those. We're not going to use all of them today. I'm thinking 3. So hot links and sauerkraut. We're going to cut these up, warm them up on the old Blackstone, put some sauerkraut in there. Potato pancakes. I've never done these before. A little bit of a lie. I tried it last night just in the skillet on the stove, so I wouldn't totally mess it up for the video, but it's got some cheddar cheese in it, a little bit of flour, 1 egg, and some green onions. So we're going to attempt to cook those and have a hot link sauerkraut and potato pancake kind of lunch. This isn't anything that Tori and Don are interested in, but Aiden and I are, so we're the ones that are going to be eating that. They got a whole other lunch planned out on Saturday afternoon. That's what we're going to do. One other thing, my friend Doug over at Griddle Cook Eat and More sent me this sticker. That's going on the Blackstone. Now Doug, he's got this fancy Halo griddle. Things out of this world. Beautiful, beautiful griddle. That's what he does. And he's got a Facebook group and all sorts of stuff. But if you don't know Doug at Griddle Cook Eat and More, please give him a look. I know most of y'all probably know him already. But if anybody's new, check him out. Great content, great guy. So thank you, Doug. That's going on the Blackstone. You said I could, so I'm going to. So let me get these cut up. I'm going to meet you outside, and we'll get cooking on the Blackstone. Peace. Griddle Cook Eat and More. Here you go, Doug. It's a nice sticker. It's going on this side over here. I'm getting kind of full on the other side. But you're going to go, oh, that's going to stand out like a sore thumb right there. Whoop! It is what it is. Griddle Cook Eat and More. Established 2020, St. Louis, Missouri. Thank you so much, Doug. Oh, wait a minute. Better. Okay. Let's get this stuff going. Here's that El Cortez sausage. I actually ended up doing 4 of them. We're going to cut it up. Oh, let me throw a little oil down in here. I got these 2 burners over here on medium low. And then these 2 are on low. This is where I anticipate doing the potato pancakes. Let's just get these sausage on here. That's not really the hard part. I think the hard part for me is going to be doing the potato pancakes the right way. Pardon my reach. Yeah. So we're just going to get these browned up. Close that. Get these going nice and neat. And what I plan to do is once I get these browned up, they're fully cooked, so no big deal. And I'm going to put them in here, this cast iron skillet, and I'm going to pour the I almost said sour cream, sauerkraut on top of that, and then just let it warm up in the skillet while we're doing the potato. See, good thing I put that there. Let's get these moving around a little bit. I want to show you one other thing that's really intriguing to me. So I did some on-the-job training. I was training a nice guy this week, actually for 4 weeks on the route. I work for Frito-Lay. I drive a truck around and deliver potato chips. That's what I do for a living. And we got to talking, and I told him, I really like lizards. And he was telling me he did this 3D printing. I'm like, okay, I know it's a thing. I come into work the next day, and Scott Elledge, hopefully you'll watch, Scott, 3D printed this lizard for me at home, at his home. Look at this thing. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. I'm just blown away, and it was a really nice gesture. I really appreciate it. Hopefully I can keep it in one piece for a good amount of time. But Scott, thank you so much if you're watching. I'll keep this. I'm going to try to keep this safe. I'm going to put it on the table right behind Dawn so it doesn't melt or anything. So, again, thank you, Scott. That was awesome. I hope my mic is on. Yeah, that would be terrible if it wasn't. Can you see it? Okay, great. Thank you, honey. Got Dawn helping me out here today. Come on, you little sausages. All right, we're going to get those warmed up a little bit more. And I'm going to grab that sauerkraut. This is just great value sauerkraut. No big deal. No biggie. Let's open this up. Let's see what we're looking like in here. Am I going to use all of it? I don't know. There we go. And I didn't even bring anything to get it out. Yeah, I'm putting the juices in there too. Look at everybody. We almost got it. All right, tell you what. Use the fingers. Don't crucify me. You know, this great value sauerkraut, yeah, it's not top of the line, but it'll get you that flavor. Sorry, guys. There we go. Yeah, okay. That's what we're looking for. A little sauerkraut in the fingers, not going to hurt anybody. So that skillet is getting nice and warm in there. We're going to throw these sausages in here in a second. I know a lot of folks don't like sauerkraut. Last time I did a sauerkraut video, there's some folks who say, oh, I don't like sauerkraut. Well, it's not for everybody, that's for sure. But it's for me. Dawn likes it, but she doesn't really like these hot links. Because these El Cortez, yeah, they're not top of the line. They're not super fancy. But I'll tell you what, they're pretty good. And they've got quite a bit of heat to them. So Aiden and I have had these before, and we really enjoy them. It doesn't take much to get these warmed up. Got that side on low. Got the sauerkraut going, right? Boy, this is really something I'm doing here today. This is really something. It is simple, and that's what we do. So if you're new here, if you're interested, this is the way we do things. We try to think a little bit outside of the box and just come up with some basic recipes that anybody can do and don't cost a lot of money. Thus the name Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. We try to do things for folks that are on a budget that may happen to have a griddle or a grill or a smoker. Just great ways to have inexpensive meals that are tasty and anyone can do. So I think these are good. Okay, I'm not sure where we left off. We had a little bit of technical difficulty, but it's nothing we can't handle. We're gonna take the sausage, right? I'm gonna put it in the skillet with the sauerkraut. Look at that. It's colorful, nonetheless. Yeah. And we're gonna let that sauerkraut flavor hopefully just get into the sausage a little bit. Yeah. Let's get those in there, work them in there a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually turn these two burners off. Let me be safe. I've got all sorts of stuff in my apron pockets. Uh-oh. We're going to move this over to this side. Just put it over here. Keep it warm. Now, for the real test. The potato pancakes. Okay, so I didn't measure anything out. I put flour, egg, some shredded cheese, and a little bit of green onion in there. These are on low. I know we don't want this side to be too hot. And this is my Blackstone egg ring tray. Excuse me. Hey, quiet down there, fella. Quiet down, please. Yeah, that's part of what you get when you cook outdoors. All right, let's take this. Is the consistency right? I have no idea. But we're about to find out. We are about to find out. I think the consistency is A-okay. Not measuring. Don't know how many potatoes. They were leftover mashed potatoes. We just doctored them up a little bit. We'll go with 6. Has anyone had potato pancakes? Has anyone made them? See how they turn out. Okay, I guess I'll stop monkeying with these now because they're just kind of sticking to the spoon. And then we'll wait a little while for that side to get, I don't know, golden brown. And then we'll flip them over. That's the plan. And Aiden and I are going to have potato pancakes, hopefully. If nothing else, we got hot links and sauerkraut. There ain't nothing wrong with that for a Saturday afternoon lunch. I'll do. All right. Come on back here when I'm ready to flip them. I don't know how long it's going to take. I'll let you know how long it. 10:40. Okay. Come on back here in a minute. Peace. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. I took the Blackstone egg ring tray off. They set up nicely. Let's give it a look. Okay. Yeah, that looks all right. I think that's what we're looking for. So I turned up the heat a little bit, and this side is cooler, obviously, than this side. So let me see if I want to continue to flip. Okay. And okay. I think this is going pretty good. I want to cook them enough so the interior is cooked, but not burning. That's the key, right? Yeah, that's the key. So that was 5 minutes to flip. I had that on low. I turned it up to a medium because it didn't seem to be cooking quite quick enough for our liking. So if you figure, okay, probably 10 minutes to cook these. And we'll see. I've never made these before. I did a test last night. It was complete failure. So, oh, well, the first one was. Yeah. But it looks pretty good. Whoa, you okay over there? Okay. Aiden's out here stumbling over stuff. I don't know what he was doing. Here's our sauerkraut and hot links. Yeah, buddy. That's going to be good eating right there. Aiden, that's going to be good eating right there. Okay. All right. Let's get these cooked up a little bit more. We'll bring it in the house and just Aiden and I will give them a test, I suppose. All right. You want this ball? Okay. Whoop. All right. Peace. There it is. The potato pancakes were I think they were a success. We don't know until we try them, but they look good. And the sausage and the sauerkraut, the hot links to be exact. Aiden and I are going to give this a test. We're going to start with the sausage and the sauerkraut. We got a little bit of mustard over here. I don't know if he's interested in that. Oh boy. Hold on a second. Oh boy. Hold on, everybody. Okay. Cheers. Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, that's good. Here comes the hot links. Woo boy!
Why is canned sauerkraut so good?
I don't know. I don't know. But that's tasty stuff. You want to try a potato pancake, Aiden?
The pancake.
We didn't put anything on the potato pancake, so we're just going to give this a try with whatever ingredients are in there. Cheers. That's pretty good. It tastes like a potato pancake.
I like it.
Yeah, it's very good. Actually, I mean, you can put whatever you want on there. I don't know, sour cream, butter, whatever the case may be. No, it's just cheddar cheese, egg flour, and some green onions. That's a tasty little meal. That would be a great meal, but Dawn and Tori, they're not really into the hot links. But yeah, that's what we got on a Saturday afternoon. I'm pleased. I think Aiden is too. Mm-hmm. Yeah, he said he is. Mm-hmm. Okay. That's a Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking episode for y'all to watch and enjoy and like, comment, subscribe. The most important is subscribe and comment and like. Peace.